What is the energy that makes things move or change? Force. Which famous horror movie is about a scary shark that attacks a small town? Jaws. Which pop singer is famous for the song Bad Guy? Billie Eilish. Which famous book is about a young wizard named Harry who goes to a magic school? Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. What is the name of the very tall mountain in Nepal, which is the highest in the world? Mount Everest. Who is the Roman goddess of love and beauty? Venus. What is the stage name of the singer whose real name is Abel Tesfaye? The Weeknd. Name the movie where a clown called Pennywise scares children in a town called Derry. It. In the movie Toy Story, who is the Space Ranger toy that wears a green and white suit? Buzz Lightyear. What year marks the start of the 21st century? 2001. Which famous painting shows a man with an ear that has been cut off? Self-portrait with bandaged ear. Which popular Italian food is made of thin, round dough with tomato sauce and cheese? Pizza. Which famous painting shows a swirling sky and bright stars over a small village? The Starry Night. What is the name of the fastest land animal in the world? Cheetah. Which U.S. state is the smallest by land area? Rhode Island. In which major war did the United States drop atomic bombs on Japan? World War II. Who is the current king of the United Kingdom? King Charles III. Who was the first person to walk on the moon in 1969? Neil Armstrong. Which small, round red fruit is often called the king of fruits in some Asian countries? Lychee. What is the chemical symbol for the element gold? Au. Which popular anime is about a boy named Goku who fights evil using his special powers? Dragon Ball. What is the simple process where water turns into vapor when heated? Evaporation. What is the national animal of Australia? Kangaroo. Which cartoon is about a young boy with a football-shaped head and his friends in a big city? Hey Arnold. In the Superman stories, who is his love interest and fellow reporter? Lois Lane. Which famous British band sang the song Bohemian Rhapsody? Queen. When do people in the US celebrate Thanksgiving Day? Fourth Thursday of November. What is the title of Taylor Swift's re-recorded album released in 2021? Red, Taylor's version. In the popular video game Minecraft, what is the main goal of the player? Survival and creativity. True or false? The Titanic sank because it hit a whale. False. What was the name of the great general who ruled Rome before becoming dictator for life? Julius Caesar. What does the acronym BBQ stand for in cooking? Barbecue. Which famous sci-fi movie features the line, "May the Force be with you"? Star Wars. What is the name of the three-headed dog that guards the underworld in Greek mythology? Cerberus. In the Harry Potter series, what kind of creature is Dobby? House elf. Who is the famous American singer known as the King of Pop? Michael Jackson. What is the name of the famous YouTuber who created the channel PewDiePie? Felix Kjellberg. Which famous writer is known for plays like Romeo and Juliet and Hamlet? William Shakespeare. Which famous Roman emperor built a long wall across Britain to keep out invaders? Hadrian. In the board game Monopoly, what is the most expensive property on the original board? Broadwalk. Which planet in our solar system is known for its beautiful rings? Saturn. Which popular video game involves building and protecting a base from waves of zombies and monsters? Minecraft. Which country is famous for inventing the dish called sushi? Japan. What is the name of the current British Prime Minister as of late 2024? Rishi Sunak. Who created the popular comic book characters Spider-Man and the Incredible Hulk? Stan Lee. Which country is the famous singer Ed Sheeran from? United Kingdom. In Star Wars, who is the evil character who wears all black and breathes heavily? Darth Vader. Which TV show is about 6 friends living in New York City, starring characters like Monica and Ross? Friends. Which large flightless bird is native to Australia and is known for its fast running speed? Emu. Which American singer is known for hits like Purple Rain and Kiss? Prince.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.